Parts, Operations and Routings, Part 5 of 10. Hello and welcome back to our 10-part training series, Mastering Tascus. In this video, we'll discuss the part numbers, operations and routings. Let's get started. Start by opening the sequence editor, then locate part numbers. This will load the list of parts saved within Tascus. Click on a part to load multiple options. The Details tab is used to choose whether the part is going to be top level or sub-assembly. The Reports tab allows you to configure a report type based on a part or serial number. Use either the default PDF format or a custom Word or Excel-based report. The Labels tab lets you configure a template to a particular part number and test print. Use the Batch and Serial tab to either reset the serial number value or edit the format. Configure a sequence to use as rework for any product within the list using the Reworks tab. Routings are nested in the parts list and are nested at one level below. The Custom Field tab is used to configure best before dates. The value that is set will calculate the date, and then a unit can be selected from hours, days and minutes. Targets enable set times during production which are displayed to the operator. Easily add a new part number by clicking the Add icon on the parts list. This will load the part window, where you can type a part number, fill in any details and press OK. On the sequence editor, locate the manufacturing operations. This will open the operations list where you can select existing operations or use the name field at the top, then click Add to create a new operation. Load manufacturing routings from the sequence editor. This will load the routings window where you can select a part number from the drop-down list, which will load all the operations and sequences that are linked to that part as a routing. You can double-click on a row to load details, showing which operation and sequence is configured, or if you would like to change it. The Edit button allows you to edit the preconditions where you can include an operation and clicking Add. Use the Build Method tab to configure the build type, the part number and the quantity. Lastly, the Release Status tab gives you the option to release the operation. Use the Copy to option to copy one or multiple rows to another part number. Overall, the part numbers are used to define what products can be used to start a production sequence. Operations are linked to the part numbers and are shown to the operator as options once they have selected which product to run. Routings are designed to configure the whole production run for a part, managing each operation and what sequence, build method and conditions are linked to it. In the next training video, we will discuss the different start options and how to navigate the work orders window.